Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to create a Gmail account on your Android device, keeping everything updated and easy to follow. Let's dive in. First, locate and open the Gmail app on your Android device. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to the Google Play Store and download it. Once the app is open, look for the menu icon in the top left corner. It's those three horizontal lines. Tap on that to access more options. Now, scroll down a bit and select Settings. This will take you to the settings page where you can manage your accounts. Next, tap on Add Account. You'll then see a list of account types. Go ahead and select Google to proceed. Now it's time to enter your information. Type in your email address or phone number. After that, tap on Create Account and choose whether it's for yourself or to manage your business. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You'll need to enter your first name, last name, a desired email address, and create a strong password. Here's an optional tip. Adding a phone number for account recovery can be very helpful if you ever need to recover your account later on. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, review your account information carefully. Make sure everything looks good. Then agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Finally, complete the setup process by following any additional prompts, like setting a profile picture if you wish to personalize your account. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Gmail account on your Android device. Enjoy your new email experience.